This is lesson number 6 for Pizza Shop. So if you look at here, quantity is text field. It might be inconvenient to use it. So I will replace with 2 buttons using JavaFX Beans. So here, name of text field is TF, quantity. The label, I will use it as it is, LBL quantity. So let me remove TF quantity, then here I will keep it as it is, and then I will start with 0. So when I press the plus symbol button, then it will increase to number 1, 2, 3, increase by 1. Then when I press the minus button, it will decrease by 1. So we need 2 buttons. Let me move down a little bit. You can use arrow key. Here, the first one I will say plus symbol, minus. FX ID, I will say btn add quantity. Next one I will say btn minus quantity. And then we are going to have here handler, event handler. I will use the same name, handle add quantity. This one I will say handle minus quantity. Save it. So here, pizza class, we will remove quantity and then setter and getter. We are going to change to JavaFX Bean property. Again here, insert code, last one. We are looking at integer property. We say quantity. Public method, that's okay. So here, integer property is abstract class, which is a superclass of simple integer property on line number 20. Again, by convention here, get and setter, and then quantity property methods. It should be declared as a final. Final. That's going to be final as well. I'm going to use a get methods that works with primitive value. They have another one called getValue that also works with integer object. I'm going to use get and set instead of getValue, setValue. Again, that's pretty much all. Here, let's say, make controller, because we changed the FXML design. So look for new names, okay? So first one, or what we are looking for is text field. We are no longer use it. So comment it out so that we will find out what we need to change underneath. Here we need to initialize property. It means that we need to declare pizza object earlier. So that we can use it in both methods called initialize and then also handle other button action. So pizza object we will declare here. So pizza. Set quantity is 0. Just setting a default value. This is important things, okay? Pizza quantity property. We need to have add listener so that we can observe if the value change, it will trigger events, okay? So events here we call it as a change listener. We need to create an anonymous listener class. So new change listener, we need a super class of pizza. I will say just object. And then implementation here. We need to import change listener, okay? We can comment it out text field. Here, this is have to implement abstract methods called changed. So what we like to change is LBL quantity. We're going to set new value according to pizza quantity. Again, we are setting text value. This is going to return integer. We need to change to string value of integer. Change to string value. Again, that's it. Now we go down here. We don't use text field quantity. We will use LBL label. So just change to LBL. This one also LBL. Okay, here is two methods. Event handler. So pizza, we are setting new quantity. That's based on quantity of a pizza order. So +1. It actually means that when you click or press the plus symbol button, it's going to increase by 1. So quantity amount will be increased by 1 every time when you press the plus symbol or plus button. Next one, we do the other way around. When you click minus button, it's going to decrease by 1. Okay, that should be minus 1, okay. I think pretty much that's all. Clean and build. So we have a busy, large, 3, 4, let's say $2 discount coupons. That seems like correct. Remove, I think I need a reset button for that. Okay, 4 and 2, that's correct. And if you look at here, I made a minor mistake. That should be Hawaiian. This is supposed to be seafood. This one should be Peggy. Just realize it as a typo. And then here, btn minus, missing s. Again, it works, but just in case, here minus, let me put s. Handler, make sure there's a s. Save it and make controller. So we can see s. Just check the name. That is also s. Okay. Let me quickly check whether it works or not. 2 minus 1. Okay, no coupons, 0, that's correct. Reset also works. Seafood. Okay, it seems like working. So sales summary, the last one. 3-1, okay, that's correct. And then $2 discount, correct too. Let's quickly add reset button. So that's something to do with TextArea sales summary. VBox, so it will be next to calculate sales, okay. I'll just say reset, FXID, BTN reset, or sales reset. Might be better sales reset, there might be 2 buttons. Handle sales reset. Save it. Make controller. Here you go. So it's supposed to be TA TextArea sales summary. Dot again set text we can just add that null. So sales summary. Okay, reset. Seems like working. That's all. Thank you.